Hello, I'm Chini from MSK Marai.
Today, we will discuss Cyclops lesions. An oval-shaped Cyclops lesion is seen in the anterior intercondylar notch. In this case, it is adherent to the anterior distal fibers of the ACL graft and projects into the inferior aspect of Hoffa's fat pad. A spiculated area of low signal intensity at the posterior aspect of the infrapatellar fat pad represents arthrofibrosis. Mild low-signal thickening is also present surrounding the ACL graft. Cyclops lesions are typically small and measure 10 to 15 mm in diameter. A large Cyclops lesion can cause a loss of knee extension. Arthrofibrosis, seen on MRI, comes in two types, focal and diffuse. Both types appear as low signal intensity on T1 and mostly low on T2, weighted sequences. The focal type, common after ACL reconstruction, manifests as a low-signal nodule called a Cyclops lesion near the graft's distal end, which impedes full knee extension. The diffuse type features ill-defined, spiculated low-signal areas within the Hoffa fat pad or around the graft, potentially extending to the joint capsule and causing synovial and capsular thickening. A Cyclops lesion typically shows intermediate to low signal intensity on MRI due to its fibrous content, with a generally heterogeneous signal and variable contrast enhancement. MRI does not distinguish between symptomatic and asymptomatic lesions. Thank you for watching. If you found my video helpful, please remember to like it.